Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Rasta pasta. First, prepare your chicken by marinating it in jerk seasoning for at least 30 minutes. You will need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into 1-inch pieces. While the chicken marinates, dice 1 large red bell pepper and 1 small yellow onion. These vibrant vegetables add essential flavor and texture, forming the base for a truly delicious meal. Next, let us focus on the pasta and the sauce base. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then add about 12 ounces of your preferred pasta, cooking until it is al dente. While the pasta cooks, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a deep skillet over medium heat. Sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic for about 1 minute until fragrant before adding a generous half cup of chicken broth. Now it is time to build the rich flavor of your creamy sauce. Add 4 ounces of cream cheese to the skillet, whisking constantly until it is fully melted and smooth. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Pour in 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, stirring well, and bring the sauce to a gentle simmer for 5 minutes. With your sauce perfectly simmered, it is time to bring all the components together. Add your cooked, marinated jerk chicken and the sautéed bell peppers and onions directly into the creamy sauce. Now, drain your al dente pasta and add it to the skillet as well. Gently toss everything together using tongs, ensuring every piece of pasta and chicken is thoroughly coated in that decadent, flavorful sauce, warming through for about 2 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.